Hello everyone, this is Elijah here, and let me welcome you to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. This is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be covering if you can use Cash App on Amazon, and if so, how to do so. So right off the bat, to answer that question, the answer is yes and no. You can use Cash App on Amazon as long as you have the Cash App card. Without the card, it's not possible because they're not a merchant that accepts that type of payment. But we're going to move forward assuming that you do have the Cash App card. If you want instructions on how to get a Cash App card for free, you want to check this video out. With that being said, let's go ahead and move forward with the process. You are going to need the Amazon Shopper app. So whether that be downloading it from the Apple Store or from the Play Store if you have Android, that will be necessary to do first, although it's a good chance that it probably came with your phone. So once you have the Amazon Shopping app, go ahead and click on Open. Click on the bars in the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to click on Account. From here, you want to scroll down where it says Payments and click on Your Payments. From here, you can see all the debit cards that Amazon has on file for you. You want to click on Add, then select Add a credit or debit card. Then you can either scan your Cash App card by clicking Scan Your Card, and your information will be ported over automatically, or you can fill it in manually. Once the information is filled in, click on Add and Continue. You will then be asked if you want to set your Cash App card as your default payment method. That means that anytime you buy something on Amazon, this payment method will be selected unless you specify that you want another method to be used, and you'll be asked to add your billing address. Amazon will automatically use whatever your current address is where you have things going to right now to be your billing address. If it's not, then you want to click on that address and edit it. But if that is the billing address, then you'll be good to go. I am going to select it as my default payment method. Scroll down and click on Save. And boom, the Cash App card has been added to Amazon as a payment method. That means that when you buy something from Amazon and you select your Cash App card, as long as you have the balance inside your Cash App, the funds will be pulled from your Cash App to pay for your Amazon purchases. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you want to check this video out that breaks down the sign up process. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and give this video a like if you found value in it. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.